Hello you guys, I'm Yaya and this is Lollies. Today we're going to do a Thanksgiving pin tag. The pin tag is called Take It and Stuff It. It was created by Clipper and Kitten. The first one is Parade Time. And let's see. Show a pin, festive, a parade, or a balloon. And this one's the one I picked. It is up and it has the beads with balloons. I love this one. This one's my sister's. My second one is football. Show a pin featuring a sport. And I pick Lucas when he's doing the bicycle. The third one is I brought the green beans casserole. Show a green character or a character wearing green. So I picked Mouse Kozowski because he's green. The fourth one is hungry. Show a pin of who you think will be the angriest if dinner isn't ready in time. I picked Stitch, and right here he's eating Stitches. That's her name, right? I think it's so cute. I think he'll be really mad. Number 5 is 12 o'clock is dinner time. Show a pin featuring time. And I pick Pinocchio. And he's a clock. Yeah. I forgot his name. Number 6 is who's your favorite fowl? Show a pin of a bird. And I picked Donald. Look how cute this one is. My favorite color is yellow, and I love Donald. I got this one on a pin tray. Number 7, mashed potatoes. Love mashed potatoes. That's the favorite thing from Thanksgiving. Show 2 characters you mash well. They mashed well together. I picked Rue and Chip. I think that would be like super awesome match and awesome best friends. Number 8 is who's a goose. Show a pin you think is gluttonous. I picked Pooh Bear because he's always wants his honey. Family drama. Show a pin. Number 9. Sorry. Show a pin. Family drama. Show a pin of a character you think is drama. I pick. What was her name? Ursula. I picked Ursula because I think she will bring a lot of drama. Number 10. Turkey coma. Show a pin of someone sleeping. And I picked Aurora, Sleeping Beauty, because she's sleeping. And last one is Black Friday. Show a pin of someone falling. And I picked Sadness because she was falling. Does it show? And she just stayed on the ground. Love Sadness. It looks like lilies right now. And that one will be that one was the last one. Hope you guys liked this video. I'll put Clifford and Kitten down below so you guys could see their video. Super awesome. And hope you like it. Bye.